Not to get cheesy on you, but we're making cauliflower quiche with cheese and some other goodies. Stay tuned. Oh my god, look at this quiche. Woo, cheesy, delicious. And it's actually very easy to make. All you need to do is peel one medium-sized carrot, just like that. Then grate this bad boy using the thinnest part of the grater. Watch your fingers, of course. Then get yourself one kind of large onion, and then grate this guy as well. You can use the bit of the thicker side, because if you use the thin one, you're gonna basically pulverize it and make it just water. Anyway, get your onion and your carrots all out of there, get all of that, and this is a very important step. You wanna squeeze out a lot of that moisture, because then your quiche is gonna be watery, and I don't know about you, but where I'm from, you can get killed for watery quiche. Anyway, this next step is putting a crap load of butter and oil in a pan, then frying off your veggies, sauteing, if you will, in that butter. This is so good, nothing like frying in butter. Ooh, if you could smell this. Then just add some salt, a bit of pepper. We're keeping it simple with the seasoning. And just let these guys go on. After a while, they're gonna look like that. Nice, and this is a good time to preheat your oven to 180 Celsius, which is 350 Fahrenheit. Next, let's grate some cheese. This is some sharp cheddar cheese, about 200 grams. I think that's around 8 ounces, but I'll have the amount in the description. And then this, okay, we're gonna drop the cheese, but that's what it should look like, thin like that. Actually, it doesn't really matter. I don't know why I'm showing you what grated cheese should look like, but whatever. Anyway, next step. Get yourself some crackers, about 150 grams. Again, I'm not going to say how much of everything. I'm just going to put everything in the description, okay? So, yes, you want to crush these guys, and actually the easiest way to do this would be if you could mash it with like a roller, like a dough, what do you call that? Dough pin roller pin? So you could do that, but you can use your hands as I did. It's just as good. Next, add some milk. So I started off with a bit of milk, and then you need to check for the consistency. You got to mix it all up, as you'll see me do in a second, and then play it by ear. Like this seemed a bit too dry for me, so I added a bit more, which I'll show you in a second. And then you can look at what I have here, and that's how you decide what you need. So just mix this guy up, and kind of like that. You know what I'm saying? That's how. It's not the biggest deal in the world. Just put some milk in with the freaking crackers, and you'll be fine. Alright, so now once we've stirred all those guys together, we're going to get 3, count them, 3 eggs. That's 1, 2, 3. Now mix the eggs in there, and mix them very well, like as if you were scrambling the eggs, and get it all up in there, all up in there, easy. Then add your veggies, which we sauteed, and put them in as well, and then mix it all together. So that's the theme. You put the stuff in, and then you mix it all together. Very easy dish. Actually, there's a lot of steps. I don't know why I said it was easy, but it's worth it, so trust me. Then, last but not least, I didn't show me grating it, but I did. That's the proof. I grated 200 grams of Gouda cheese as well. So that's going in there, mixing that up very, very well. And one big thing of cream cheese. This type came in like a little tub thing like that, but like one of those Philadelphia cream cheeses would be just fine as well. Next, a bit more pepper and a bit more salt, and then just mix everything good and wonderful and doodly diddly doo. Alright, and for the final thing that we're putting in is cauliflower. So I thought at first I was going to be all artsy and artistic and cool and put one by one like that, and you can see it in the final thing. But then I thought, that's stupid. That's very stupid. What you want is to get the cauliflower flavor all up in there. That's what I want. So then I decided to just mix everything up, and that's what I did. So I think that's a better idea. So do that also. I mean, you can do whatever you want, but I think this is a good thing. Then, in our preheated oven, oh yeah, we're gonna put this bad boy in, and as you see, it's covered in some foil, because the first 20 minutes, we want it in there with the foil. We're gonna remove it eventually, because we want the top to crisp up a bit. So after about 20 minutes, remove this guy. Giving us a bit of trouble, this old foil, but we got it done. And now look at this. Oh my god, is this not the best thing you've ever seen in your life. I'm telling you, man, really, you gotta trust me on this. This, just look at the way it looks. Look at how it looks. You know it's good. Don't you lie. So get yourself a little square of this. This took a lot of inner meditation and trying to find my inner peace to only take one piece. But I'm telling you, it was tough. It was tough. So giving this guy a taste, and trust me, if this doesn't make you subscribe, I can't even stand. Look at this. You think this is an act? It's not an act. I almost died eating this. So thank you for watching. Bye.